Everyone, I'm tramming my Onefinity CNC with a super simple, easy DIY tram. You don't have to buy the expensive one with the digital readouts. All you need to do is put a 1/4-inch hole in one side with a slot so that you can clamp it. 1/4-inch hole in the other side. I just put a drill bit, clamp it down. And then you're going to lower the spindle until you can just barely get a known offset off. Doesn't matter what this is, you just want something that's above the work table. So get that so that it's 0. Spin it around to the other side. Spin your spindle. Get it so that it's perpendicular or 180 degrees from your opposite side. And get it till it just barely touches. So when it's not trammed, what you'll have to do is loosen up 3 of the nuts. 1, 2, 3. And then from there, tilt the spindle until you just barely contact. Swing it back to the other side to check. You'll have to do that a couple times, just playing back and forth until it's perfect. And then you can also double check your opposite perpendicular axis. Which is here. And then 180. Just like that. Once you've done that, you can surface your wasteboard again, and you have a nice tram machine. Thanks.